Text, connect on Union Apartment Homes. Equal housing opportunity. Handicap accessible. Walking down a sidewalk to a Connect leasing office. A Greystar mat by the door. A fenced patio with a pool. And a pergola over outdoor couches and coffee table. A separate hot tub with loungers. A table with an umbrella. A sidewalk passes behind the apartments. A grilling area. Another circle of Adirondack chairs. Grills and counters under a large pergola with picnic tables and Adirondack chairs. A cornhole range behind a wooden fence. An interior lounge with barrel back chairs around a table by a flat screen TV. Leather seats with riveted edges. A cylindrical shaded chandelier. A counter with workstations. A fitness center with treadmills, ellipticals, medicine balls, weights. A lifting machine. A table and chairs in a dining area connected to a kitchen. A laundry room on the other side. Light-colored cabinets and stainless steel look appliances. A cylindrical light fixture on the ceiling above the dining table. Abstract paintings on the wall. A couch flanked by lamps on glass tables. A glass coffee table. A bedroom with a bed flanked by nightstands. Another bedroom with a mirrored layout. An attached bath with a double vanity. A wood-look framed mirror. And a tub shower with a curtain. A bed with a headboard with deep tufted buttons. Text, connect on Union Apartment Homes.